Hello, everyone, and thank you for visiting Jennifer Clair Astrology. I'm Jennifer Clair, and in this video, you're going to learn what it means to have Virgo rising. Virgo is symbolized by the Virgin or the Maiden. It represents purity, humility, and service. When we think of Virgo, we can imagine Mother Teresa because she gave of herself selflessly in order to help others. For all our male Virgos, you can envision a craftsman, someone who diligently works to achieve excellence. All Virgos are blessed with a strong work ethic and a responsible nature. They're attuned to all that needs improvement, and this is why they have been called the quality control sign of the zodiac. If you have Virgo rising, people will see you as dependable and intelligent. You are also very talkative, as Mercury, the planet of communication, rules your chart. It also rules if you have Gemini rising. How do you act to get your needs and wants met? You act like a helper. You are genuinely interested in providing quality service to others. You go above and beyond to assist. You are observant to the needs of those around you, and you are capable of problem solving in ways that others aren't. It is important that you allow yourself to participate in groups because people need to know about you and what you have to offer. So, joining organizations or networks that interest you will help you become accessible to people who need your services, and it will help you get your ideas heard. Virgos can appear less knowledgeable than they actually are because they tend to second guess themselves and doubt their abilities. They often have trouble believing that their skill sets are enough, so they spend countless hours educating themselves, seeking knowledge, and improving their understanding of certain topics. When in reality, they already know enough. They know enough to speak intelligently about the ideas that they want to convey. Therefore, Virgos benefit from mentors and teachers who believe in them and encourage them to take the next steps and move forward. When these rising signs are attentive to the needs of others, they make excellent consultants, assertively sharing valuable information that others need to know. If you have Virgo rising, the best course of action is to use your eye for detail to fix, improve, organize, and add value to systems in place. Look for ways to assist others with your skills. Be wary of allowing your need for perfection to stand in the way of taking action. Know that people benefit from the knowledge you have right now and that you can always continue learning as you go. Trust in yourself. Trust your abilities. Thank you for watching Virgo Rising. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment below or give it a thumbs up or subscribe. And I will see you next time.